Tell us your name. Meow. Are you Claire? Or are you little birdie? Because you were in a tree. Yeah, you were in a tree, weren't you? Yeah. Yeah, who's a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Kind of a fluffy kitty, huh? You're a fluffy kitty? Yeah, you're a fluffy kitty. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Oh my goodness. You are so lovey-dovey. You are so lovey-dovey. Yes, you are. Look at that. Okay. Okay. You just fit in the palm of my hand almost, don't you? Meow. Meow bump. Okay. Alright, so this is a kitty we found last night in our tree, of all places. She was 20 feet up on a branch. No idea how we got her, how she got there. We'd never seen her before. I just heard a loud meow, and you heard it yourself. And there she was. And we don't know what to do because we can't really have another cat. We've got 8 already. One that came to us last year or 2 years ago. 2 years ago in 2018. I don't know where these cats are coming from. God keeps sending us cats. But I was told that this is not a permanent visitor. She's not going to be here more than a week. And I'm very compassionate, and I'm afraid I'm going to get attached. So if anybody has a heart and can take care of this kitty, and you need to have her get spayed and stuff. We paid a lot of money to have our cats get spayed, and it's money we really couldn't afford, but we sacrificed it and made it happen because we knew it was going to be best for everybody. And so if anybody can help and has a good home and is looking for a little lover from heaven, this one came straight from the sky, straight from a tree. Okay. Okay. She is so lovey-dovey. Okay, and we call her Birdie, or what else are we calling her? Claire de Lune, because she was clearly in the shadow of the moon last night.